Have you ever heard of Gamma app? Today we're going to check out Gamma app. This tool is great for making awesome presentation and documents. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, what is Gamma app? It is simply a fun tool that helps you create beautiful presentation and reports. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone who wants to impress their audience. You can sign up for free. So you can log in if you already have an account or just go with the Google. Once you're done making your account, you'll land on this page. We have 3 different options to make a presentation. First, we have this option so you can paste a text. You can click here and type your outline for the presentation that you want.
Here, let's go back.
And the other one, and the second one is for a file that already exists, and then it will give us a perfect presentation. In the middle, we click on this. So this will help us create the presentation, a web page, or a document. I'm going to show you how to make a presentation, so I'll go for this one. This will give you an option for how many cards you want. A card means a slide for your presentation. I'll go for 5. Now we will have to describe what we would like to make. I have already an idea for my presentation, and it is going to be create a presentation for my class assignment based on how to make more friends. And the thing that you don't have to forget about is that the more detail that you put in this space, the more good and descriptive your presentation is going to be. Once you're done entering your prompt, you will click on generate outline. Now it's generating an outline for us based on the prompt that we have given the AI. We have 5 outlines here. You can click on this plus if you like to add an additional card on your presentation. You also have additional settings around here. In the settings, we have the amount of text per card. I would like brief, medium, and detailed. So I would prefer the brief one. The second is the image source. I prefer the AI suggests me to generate original images and graphics. Here we can choose the image AI model. I'm going to select this Flux Fast 1.1 and we will generate. As you can see, it's generating our slides and PowerPoint is flowing in. If you want to make some changes, maybe, for example, I feel like this is a little bit darker, so I can choose right from here. I got a lot of options. I'll go for this one. And yes, that is our PowerPoint. And our first full slide is already done. This is very amazing. Other thing is, if I don't like what I'm seeing here, I can come here and edit. I can add a blank card if I feel like this is not enough. And here we have the film strip view. As you can see, I can rearrange my slides. This also gives me an overview of the whole slide. For the rearrangement, I can double click on this and move the slide just like that. I feel like rearranging the slide. I can come up here and then make it like this or this and choose what is suitable for me. I think this one goes better. Yeah. I can also change the card color here. I can go for yellow. Yeah. Actually, it's a little bit bright, so let's go for the gray one. Yeah, it's better like this. And done. Now when I am looking around, I get this plus icon here, and then I select it. It automatically adds another bullet list. As easy as it is, we'll go up there, select for this, and then it gives us a lot of options. So I can go for make longer. It's working on it. Now here we have our longer text. And the other fascinating thing about this is I can come up here again and I will type add image, then enter. And just like that, we got our image. Click on the images around here. I can change the focus point, remove the background if I want to, or edit the image. Here we have it. And at last, I'll add another card. Thank you for staying with me. I'll generate an image. Enter. That's it. Now you know how to use Gamma Up. I hope this video helps you create amazing presentation. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything out.